How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, if you have a conversation on Instagram and you wanted to see the first message, it might be sometimes daunting and tiring to just scroll all the way up. So you might look for a way that allows you to see the first message and get the job done without scrolling and wasting so much time. And luckily, there's an easy solution for that, as we will be using an app that's called Tab Scroll, which is this one right here, which allows you to scroll all the way back to the top of the page with just one tap on your screen. So go ahead and open up Play Store and search for Tab Scroll. And go ahead and install this app right here. Once you do that, open it and let's turn it on. Once you do that, just go back and let's open Instagram and let's click on the chat that we want to see the first message of. Now, how this app works is you need to click on the all the way on top of the screen, just one tap. As you can see in my status bar at the top, where it shows the battery and the hour and the alarm, etc., you just need to tap one time there and it will bring you to all the way to the top of the page where you will see the first message. So let's go ahead and do that. One click. As you can see, it has brought us to the top of the page. Let's go ahead and do that again. One click on any site, it doesn't matter, it will bring you back to the first message. It's that easy and simple app to use. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see the first message on Instagram without even scrolling. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.